Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Sound Equalizer for Spotify on iPhone and Android. Spotify has built-in equalizer settings that allow you to customize the audio output on both iPhone and Android devices. Here's how you can use the equalizer on Spotify. Here's how you can do it on iPhone. Launch the Spotify app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, select the Playback from the list of settings. Scroll down and look for the Equalizer option. Tap on it. Choose a preset from the available options or manually adjust the sliders to customize the sound according to your preference. That's it. Now, on Android mobile, launch the Spotify app. Then, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for the Audio Quality section. Scroll down, and you may find an option for Equalizer. Tap on it. Choose a preset from the available options or manually adjust the sliders to customize the sound according to your preference. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.